Good morning, fishers. Brand here with Dude Fish. Out on the water again this morning. Up on the lake. The weather's not too good today. It's we've been having highs in the upper 70s and 80s. We had a tropical storm move through yesterday. Had a lot of rain, and after it pushed out, we had a cold front. It's in the high 40s now. I think the high today is only going to be low 60s. We got about a 15 or 20 mile an hour wind, so don't know how the fishing's going to be, but I'm going to get out here and see what I can do and see if I can catch some bass. So y'all come along with me and let's catch some fish. Little spot, guys. First one of the day. I didn't even know he was on there, guys. I thought he got a bite, but I thought I was just hung up. There's a fish, little spot. Low spot, guys. On the rattle trap. Got a little spot on the rattle trap, guys. Little bitty. Dropshot, guys. Saw them fish on the depth finder. Looks like there's a bunch down there. Midget, guys. Alright, guys, wasn't the best of days, but it's kind of slow. I did manage to catch some small ones. I had one pretty good largemouth. It was close to 5 pounds. The rest of them were spots. They were small. Caught the big one on the big large head on the spinnerbait, and most of the spots came on a rattle trap, and caught a few on the drop shot. But wind whipping today is probably blowing 25 miles an hour, and I don't think it made it 50 degrees. Supposed to get up in the high 50s, but I don't believe it made it there. So that's it, guys.